Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all Global Academic Network International Conference. It is my first presentation oral in international conference. Let me introduce myself. My name is Iwan Putra. I'm from Faculty of Economic and Business, University of Jambi. This paper, I'm the first author, and the title this paper, Whistleblowing System Activity Simultaneous Big Data Analytic on Fraud Prevention. Submit agenda, Whistleblowing System Activity Simultaneous Big Data Analytic on Fraud Prevention. The first introduction, literature review, discussion and conclusion, and bibliography. For introduction, showing issue and strategic issue in the implementation on fraud prevention. The phenomena that occur in economic development in Indonesia today is the strengthening of accountability demand on public institutions, but at the central and regional level. The development of the turbulence of human activity gives rise to criminal behavior and undergoes a transformation. This action is caused before as fraudulent act, one of which on from of fraud because it other is required to report financial information accurate and relevantly. The problem of fraud has really become an acute and systematic problem that is very dangerous and detrimental to the state and society, especially in regional government. For this reason, effort to prevent and eradicate fraud need to be increased and intensified by upholding human rights and the interests of the community. The main character of government agency is the use of public fund with its form of government sectoral accountability to the community in effort to create transparency in the use of the public fund. This matter informs that fraud has really become an acute to systematic problem that is very dangerous and detrimental to the state and society, especially in small and developing countries such as in Indonesia. Government policy to institutional infrastructure strengthening, human resource capability building, strengthening the network through the direction of network of legal relation and monitoring and evaluation. Recapitulation of examination result conduct through BPK Jambi Province representative. This finding, according to the research, is a measure that financial management in Jambi Province is now to still find some misstatement on financial information, and sometimes is to fraud to potential fraud. There are some prevention efforts are needed. The form of fraud prevention effort by research feel more powerful and effective as an initial effort when compared to refreshed effort because it can reduce or even avoid great state loss. As well, they make to good name on institution and individual. Therefore, the government must be positive and open the public without limiting the amount of information that revolve the government performance. Publication of financial statement is the main element that can represent financial statement accountability. Various kinds of scientific studies that have been carried out provide clue that the skill mismatch on the impact of fraud is still a fundamental polemic that will continue to hamper to productivity and competitiveness of various economy and industrial sector in local government. Good financial management can be seen from quality financial report. This development give rise to the several anomaly related to problem and deviation arising from change that occur both in the central government and regional government. This opinion show that the quality of financial statement is a barometer of the size of the depth of the financial statement information present in providing a true and honest picture. Other facts also show the recalculation the accuracy of the information present, which is related to the act disclosing fraud case based on profession or position as follow. The information about show the most common level of fraud is carried out by profession among members of DPR, DPRD, governor, mayor, deputy, eselon 3, the regional government. This means that the problem that occur in the regional government are acute and systematic problem that need serious handling to immediately prevent the source of the problem. Publication of financial statement is the main element that can represent the accountability of financial statement. Limited strategy formulation for whistleblowing system big data in Provinsi Jambi. This strategy is important for proactive fraud and prevention for the integrity of regional government before in the future. From the fact content in the government of data regarding the dynamic of the phenomena that occur is illustrate that fraud is a trending topic phenomenon that continue to be a hot topic public discussion to continue to discuss and studies in depth. Gap analysis framework. Several research have tested the predict value generated from each one of the whistleblowing system and big data analytic variable on fraud prevention. But empirical evidence show that there are no research who have combined their four variables in fraud prevention, and empirical research has never been carried out through fraud prevention. As well as other argument obtained from the test result that provide information on the magnitude of the various value load and varied and inconsistent because the finding and perspective of the each person are different in each region. Result combine these 4 to 3 variable in the study because the three variable attitude are considered to be initial determined factor in accordance with related issue and regulating in carrying out their function as an effort to prevent and the occurrence of fraud behavior prevention through fraud. Gap analysis theoretical. The use of big data analytic in activity carried out by local government can be used to obtain an overview of basic instruction of symptom relate. The same thing use the same variable was carried out in study that Indonesia saw through research conduct. Different results are shown in the research in Titahelo, Nurul, Mohe, which state the results are not in accordance with this study. It state that whistleblowing systems are not the only thing that can be used in prevention effort fraud, but there are several other factors that can be used as measure in talking prevention action. The implication column is this: the impact factor. Produce recommendation for science and technology and source both policy option in the economic and legal sector to increase the participation of independent institutions in assistant fraud prevention as a mediation of the effect of prevention behavior in maximizing prevention effort based on effective principle with the result of achieving improvement goal. Literature review. The study used Diamond theory, Walt Emerson, as the grand theory to explain phenomenon and formulate result hypothesis with attribution theory and legal theory from criminology, namely as supporting theory, as well as several concepts they explain is more detail about fraud prevention, whistleblowing system, and big data analytics. This research is also supported by several descriptions of the result of the previous studies. They are needed in design the research concept. Whistleblowing system in this paper research mean a forum for someone to complain about fraudulent act or disclosure on of unlawful act, unethical or immoral act, and of or other action that can harm. In the public sector, especially Jambi province, there are also derivating rules that regulate the whistleblowing system, namely the Jambi governor. In the Jambi province government as a form of anticipatory and prevention action to minimize the potential for action, fraud, and potential fraudulent activity that lead to legal element. Big data element, big data analytic support process for exploring, transforming, and modeling big data information in making decision making. In second process, this identity key risk auditable area, identity and access auditable, and desk and remote audit. Implementation of big data analytics into audit. Because collaborating implementations how to uniform, understand the data on local government, how building capacity is needed for internal and external auditor from the traditional audit mindset, endorsement, examination application system, consolidation powerful by COVID portal. Literature review. Literature review is to provide a framework related to new finding and previous finding in the order identification of whether or not there is progress from the result of a study through comprehensive research and interpretation of the letter relate to a particular topic with identify research question by searching and analyzing relevant literature using an approach systematically. The method used in the literature review is through a systematic approach to analyze the data in simplified approach. Discussion and conclusion. Result of literature review in article, the author found the effect of activists on the whistleblowing system and big data analytics on fraud prevention. It result in the following are the result are review of article that are relationship between variable. The first, the influence of the whistleblowing system on fraud prevention. The second, the effect of information technology, big data analytics on fraud prevention. Conclusion. The conclusion from the letter review as set out in the objective are how simultaneous whistleblowing system, big data analytics, and fraud prevention provide information about the relationship between the magnitude of this effect. The result of the latter view on article found the existence of simultaneous whistleblowing system activity, big data analytics, and again fraud prevention. The study contribute to literature by providing further understanding of how the simultaneous of fraud activity with organization predictor. Fraud prevention is strategy that the research proposed as preventive measure in measuring and managing the presence or absence of the use of human resource through act of fraud or error that are intentional commit and made by a person or entity who you know that the error can result in several benefits that are not good for the community, individual, or entity. Bibliography in this result. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.